TradingView is a popular charting platform that allows traders to view real-time market data and technical analysis. The platform is easy to use and offers a wide range of charting tools and indicators. Robinhood is a commission-free trading platform that allows traders to buy and sell stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. It has a user-friendly interface and is popular among beginner traders. MetaTrader 4 is a popular trading platform that offers a range of tools for technical analysis, as well as the ability to automate trades with expert advisors. It is widely used in the Forex market. Ameritrade is a full-service brokerage that offers a range of trading tools, including a web-based platform and mobile app. It is easy to use and offers access to a range of financial products, including stocks, options, and futures. E-Trade is a user-friendly trading platform that offers a range of tools for research and analysis, as well as the ability to trade a wide range of financial products, including stocks, options, and futures. It also has a mobile app for on-the-go trading. Remember that trading involves risk, and you should never risk more than you can afford to lose. If you're a beginner trader, take the time to learn and gain experience before investing real money. And perseverance, you can become a successful trader using these trading tools. Good luck and happy trading.